Welcome to the MKS Atotech booth at SurfaceTechnology GERMANY 2024. This year we are part of the ZVO Joint Stand, which provides valuable insights into the diversity and efficiency of the electroplating and surface technology process chain.
As a provider of innovative surface enhancement technologies, our focus is on sustainability, as we are committed to providing products and services that help our customers adapt to increasingly stringent environmental regulations.
Highlights of our sustainable product range include Chrome 6-free, non-PFAS, decorative and functional coating solutions. We showcase the latest generation of advanced two-component cleaning solutions that operate at extremely low temperatures, reducing energy consumption and carbon emissions at our customers' facilities.
Our compact membrane anodes, CMA, developed to increase efficiency and productivity in alkaline zinc-nickel electroplating processes. Along with our CMA Closed-Loop System, represent a significant advancement in wastewater management by virtually eliminating waste generation and promoting sustainability through its closed-loop design.
We offer Chrome 6-free non-PFAS sustainable plating solution for both decorative and functional application.
Trichrome is our series of trivalent chromium coatings designed for decorative uses, offering a full range of modern chrome shades. These shades go from a light bluish finish like hexavalent chrome to a variety of medium to dark tones. These unique compositions allow for color customization while also providing excellent corrosion resistance.